are glad to share with you some background of Charmlite. Started as a gift and promotional trading company in 2004, we have developed into a production and marketing company, industry and trade integration. With the increasing demand of plastic drinkwares, we established our own factory, not only equipped with advanced production machines, but also the molding lines which we can develop new molds by ourselves. Our professional team consists of factory and an elite team taking care of design, molding, marketing, sales, logistics, as well as operation. We are very lucky to grow and inspired by great partners such as Disney, Coca Cola, Pepsi, Bacardi, Pizza Hut, and many other great companies. Environmental protection is also our concern. We pursue on applying degradable materials and plastic substitutes to maintain sustainable and eco-friendly approach. We are enjoying a rapid growth every year owing to the hard work of my team. Innovation, high-quality product, quick response, on-time delivery are our core advantages. Product quality is the priority because we totally understand how important to protect your reputation. We also provide flexible and customized overseas customer service, catering to all needs from customized product branding and packing design, ODM service to door-to-door logistic service. Providing total solutions is the reason why customers consider us first choice. In short, we protect your brand and reputation. Looking forward to making successful products with you.